Welcome to Exam Sale. This script outlines the syllabus for the SAP Certified Application Associate, SAP S/4HANA Sales 2020 exam so you know what to study and how much weight each area carries. The exam covers 10 domains with specific weights: sales documents, customizing 15%, sales process, S/4HANA, 15%, shipping process and customizing 10%, master data 10%, pricing and condition technique 10%, cross-functional customizing 10%, billing process and customizing 10%, availability check and advanced ATP 10%, next generation technologies 5%, and organizational structures 5%. Each domain description below explains the focus, key topics, difficulty, estimated learning time, and what you will be tested on. Sales documents. Customizing is 15% of the exam and rated hard with about 12 hours of study expected and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn to configure sales document types, assign sales document categories, and control functions of document types. The syllabus emphasizes item category and schedule line determination, copy control logic, document flow configuration, data transfer rules in copy control, and customization for special business transactions. Sales process, S/4HANA, is also 15% and considered medium difficulty with an estimated 10 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches end-to-end sales cycle execution including processing inquiries, quotations, sales orders, returns, and credit or debit memos. You will practice managing delivery and billing triggers, monitoring sales with the Fiori Launchpad, using sales analytics, and executing the back-to-back process in S/4HANA. Shipping process and customizing accounts for 10% of the exam with medium difficulty, about 8 hours of learning, and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will learn logistics execution, delivery processing, and shipping point determination logic. Key topics include delivery document type configuration, item category rules for deliveries, picking and packing setup, post-goods issue processing, collective delivery, routes and route determination, and shipping requirement customization. Master data makes up 10% of the exam, is easy with approximately 6 hours of study, and assessed conceptually and with scenarios. Candidates will study maintenance and architecture of business partners, customer roles, and sales area data. The domain covers material master sales views, customer material info records, condition master data for pricing, material determination and substitution, product listing and exclusion, and partner function maintenance. Pricing and condition technique is 10% of the exam, rated hard with about 14 hours of learning and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. You will master the condition technique including condition tables, access sequences, and condition type control. Expect detailed work on pricing procedure determination and layout, condition record maintenance, manual pricing limits, header and item conditions, condition exclusion and grouping, and tax and surcharge configuration. Cross-functional customizing is 10% of the exam with medium difficulty, around 8 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain covers generic sales functions such as output determination using BRF+, text determination, and partner determination rules. You will also configure incompleteness checks, status management in sales documents, field selection, copying control for cross-functional data, and basic message control customizing. Billing process and customizing represents 10% of the exam, medium difficulty, with about 8 hours of study and hands-on plus conceptual assessment. Candidates learn billing document type configuration, billing categories and control, and both collective and individual billing logic. The syllabus also covers billing plans for periodic and milestone billing, revenue account determination, cancellation of billing documents, intercompany billing setup, and credit and debit memo billing. Availability check and advanced ATP is 10% of the exam, considered hard, with roughly 10 hours of study and scenario-based assessment. You will study ATP check logic within sales documents, requirement types and classes, and product allocation basics. The domain also covers backorder processing strategies, advanced ATP features in S/4HANA, release for delivery, alternative-based confirmation, and reviewing availability check results. Next Generation Technologies is 5% of the exam. Easy difficulty, with about 4 hours of learning and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This short domain introduces SAP Fiori UX for sales personas, embedded analytics and CDS views, and intelligent technologies like machine learning and RPA. You will also learn about the simplified sales data model, in-app extensibility, and improved search in sales documents. Organizational structures is 5% of the exam. Easy difficulty, with about 4 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This area teaches how to define and assign sales organizations, distribution channels, divisions, and sales areas. You will practice assigning sales organizations to company codes and configuring plant and storage location assignments for sales processes. That concludes the syllabus overview for the SAP Certified Application Associate, SAP S/4HANA Sales 2020 exam. Use the domain weights and estimated study times to plan your learning. Focus first on the 15% and 10% areas, and combine hands-on practice with conceptual review for best results.